Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle everyday home appliance woes with simple, straightforward fixes. Today, we're diving into the 718 How to Fix GE Dishwasher H2O Error 2025 video. If your GE dishwasher is flashing that pesky H2O error code, don't panic. It's often a sign of a water supply issue, like low water pressure or a blocked inlet. This error is common in 2025 models, and with a few easy steps, you can get your dishwasher running smoothly again. First things first, let's understand the problem. The H2O error typically means the dishwasher isn't getting enough water, which could be due to a faucet issue, a kinked hose, or even a faulty valve. Grab your tools and let's jump right in. Step 1. Start by checking your water supply. Make sure the water valve under your sink is fully turned on. If it's partially closed, that could be the culprit. Twist it open and try running a cycle. Step 2. Inspect the water inlet hose. Look for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten it out if needed, and ensure it's securely connected to both the dishwasher and the water source. Step 3. Now, reset your dishwasher. Unplug it from the wall for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches. It's like a quick reboot for your appliance. Step 4. Check and clean the filter. Located at the bottom of your dishwasher, the filter can get clogged with food debris. Remove it, rinse it under running water, and put it back. Step 5. If the error persists, examine the float switch inside the dishwasher tub. It's a small plastic piece that detects water levels. Make sure it's not stuck or dirty. Gently clean it if necessary. Finally, run a test cycle to see if the error is gone. If you've followed these steps and the H2O error still appears, it might be time to call in a professional technician, as there could be an electrical issue or a defective part. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the appliance before tinkering. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. See you in the next one.